So I built myself a chin-up bar inside the garage. Well, actually it's for me and Lance. So yeah, so I bought the parts at Bunnings. It says 500 kgs maximum weight, so I reckon it will do. So I used a 25 quarter-inch steel pipe, galvanized pipe, and put some Dynabolts in there, and I fastened the pipe using a U-shape fastener. There you go. So we have a legit chin-up bar in here and grip strength. Ta-da! I got the idea from here, from the garage door opener. So I looked it up in Bunnings and voila! Found some parts and there it is. Hee-hee! Chin-up bar, or a dead hang bar, whatever. And I used this one for my level. I couldn't find my level, so I filled up this water bottle here and used it. So I get a straight, flat, horizontal line. And that's my drill bit. So that's the U-bolt I used to hold the bar in place. And this is a 12mm drill bit, masonry drill bit. Yeah, my Bosch. Not only that, it can double up as a clothes hanger, where I can dry out the wetsuits or whatever Faye needs during winter time. We can use that one. Multi-purpose. That's why I had it sticking out very long out here, so the hanger can be alright.
Oh my God, that is.
Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga, tuwing umaga. Mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga, upang ang katawan natin ay sumigla. Mag-exercise tayo